GATE 2020 Civil Engineering Set 2 Question 35. A 10 meter high slope of dry clay soil of unit weight 20 kN per meter cube with a slope angle of 45 degrees and the circular slip surface is shown in the figure. The weight of the slip wedge is denoted by W. The undrained unit cohesion is 60 kilopascals. The factor of safety of the slope against slip failure needs to be found. Four options are given: 1.84, 1.57, 0.58 and 1.67. The relevant NPTEL reference has been listed. So if we are given a finite slope which looks like this, in circular analysis what we do is we consider a circular segment of the slope whose weight is W. The distance of this weight from the lowermost end is taken as D, and let us assume the center of this circle is somewhere here, which is R. So in order to find the factor of safety of this slope, we need to first find the resisting moment and then divide it by the displacing moment. So the resisting moment in this case is created by the cohesion of the soil. So that is given as undrained cohesion into the length of this whole arc. So this whole arc is taken as LA. So Cu into LA. This is the force, and since we need to convert it to moment, we take its distance from this point, that is R. This is divided by the displacing moment, that is given by W into D. So coming to the solution, we are given the circular finite slope whose unit weight and cohesion have been given. The dimensions of the slope are given. It is a 45 degree slope. So first we will try to find the resisting moment. So the resisting moment is given by undrained cohesion into length of arc into radius. So here cohesion is given as 60 kilopascals. Length of arc can be found out using the relation r theta. So here the radius is 10 meters and theta would be this angle. So here theta can be seen as 90 degrees since this side and this side are equal, and here it is 45 degrees, so this will be 45, this will be 45, so the third angle will be 90 degrees. So converting theta, that is 90 degrees, into radians, we would get pi over 2. This would give the length as 5 pi. Substituting it here, 5 pi into radius, that is 10, we would get the resisting moment as 9420 kilonewtons meter. Now we need to find the displacing moment, which is given as the product of the weight and the distance. So weight and distance. We need to find the weight here. That would be the area of this shaded circular segment. To find the weight, we need to take the product of the shaded region with the density, that is given here as unit weight, and we will assume unit length of 1 meter. So the area can be found out as, since this is a 90 degree sector of a circle, so it will be pi by 4 into r square, that is 10 square here, minus we will subtract this triangle, the 10 meter into 10 meter triangle, from this, so it will be half into 10 into 10. So we are given an area like this. What we are doing is, first we take the whole circular segment, that is pi r square by 4, and then we subtract this triangle to get the circular segment. This would give the area, and we can take the product of this with the density, that is 20, to get the weight. So trying to find the displacement moment, that is 10 square into pi by 4 minus 0.5 into 20 into 4.48. This would give the displacement moment as 2553.6 kilonewtons meter. The factor of safety is given as the ratio of the resisting moment to the displacement moment, that will be 9420 by 2553.6. This value comes out to be around 3.68. So a finite slope was given whose dimensions, undrained cohesion, angle and unit weight were given. None of the options match for this question and the answer was 3.68 and marks were awarded to all. The relevant NPTEL reference has been listed.